Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use MidJourney to create NFT art. Let's get started. So here we are in OpenSea where we will be selling our NFT art. So from here you want to connect your wallet first in OpenSea, just like here, but you have to log in your MetaMask first, and you must have your MetaMask installed here in your PC. Just like that, and got it right here. Next, done. And after that you can just go and close this one, and now you can do it. Right now you can open here. As you can see, it's now good, and we're gonna connect this right here, MetaMask right here, and you just go and next, connect right there, and it is now connecting. And as you can see, I am now connected right here. I am now logged in, and I can now start selling here. But first we're gonna create an NFT art using our MidJourney. And by the way, if you don't know how to use or install your MetaMask in your browser, you can simply go into the extensions, or depending on your browser that you're using. Let's say you are using Opera, so you're gonna go search here Opera extensions. In my case it's Opera GX, just like that, and you can go here. Usually in the first one is where you want to click, because that is where you are gonna want to install your extension. So since we're using MidJourney, so let's go to MidJourney right now. And by the way, if you haven't installed Discord in your PC yet, we will be needing Discord in this process, because when using MidJourney, MidJourney uses Discord to generate the images that you can use using AI. So first you're gonna go to Discord. After you go to MidJourney, right here you want to go into download right here, or you can just go in your browser if you want. And after you have done that, after you have downloaded and installed Discord, we can now proceed. So here we are in MidJourney, and from here, if you want to know more, some background about MidJourney, you can go and get started right here so that you can know the basics. Right here, as you can see, you have Discord, getting started, and user guide. But we don't want that for now. And here, the showcase right here, you can see everything that MidJourney can do right here. As you can see, it creates awesome art right here, arts like this. So I can assure you that creating NFT arts is really simple for MidJourney. Just like this one, you would create amazing arts just like this. So after that, let's go back right here, and to use MidJourney now, we want to sign in first before we join the Discord server, because you need to sign in right here, because you would be needing credits or maybe a subscription in order for you to use MidJourney. So let's go connect our Discord first. Let's go back to MidJourney right there and join the beta. Here we are. As you can see, I am now logged in. Now let's go back to MidJourney again, and let's try to log in once again. Right there, sign in. Let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, I need to authorize, just like that. You need to authorize it first. And sign in error. Let's go again. It's getting an error for some reason, but however, I already signed up because I already used MidJourney. So let's just go again. Maybe it's just an error, just like there. Here we are now in our MidJourney. We have now successfully signed in. So before you use MidJourney, you would want to purchase a plan, because MidJourney isn't free. It has a free trial back then, but for now it is not available because of a high demand, because MidJourney is really famous. So if you really want to use MidJourney, then you would need to buy one of these plans right here. You can go for monthly billing if you want right here. These are the plans for the monthly billing. So let's go back, and we're now gonna go into the Discord of MidJourney so that we can use it. Right here, we're gonna join the beta, and this is where you will be invited to the MidJourney. Right there, accept an invite and open Discord right there. Let's just wait for it. It has now been starting right there, our Discord, and we want to go full screen so that you can see. And here is our MidJourney server right here. This is the MidJourney server right here, and as you can see there, these are the contents or samples that other people are making here in MidJourney, and you can see it in the rooms here in newbies. You can see it a lot here. So but I'm going to show you how you can use MidJourney bot privately. So here is the MidJourney bot, and you want it to use privately in your server maybe. So what you want to do is create a server first, or if you have an existing server that you want to add MidJourney bot, then you can do that also just by going here and add the server right here and select your server right here. So we're already done with that because I have already done adding my MidJourney bot in my server. As you can see, I already have my MidJourney bot right here. So what we want to do from here in MidJourney bot is we're gonna go in /imagine right here, and we're gonna type our prompt or description on what kind of NFT we are going to make. And don't forget that you include the size. So yeah, so here in the prompt, so let's say we want to create an NFT art for, let's say, a monkey wearing a, what do we want, wearing a basketball jersey. Let's go with that. So a monkey wearing a basketball jersey, just like that. And after that, you want to specify the photo specifications, like how the size of it, like, so let's go search and what is the appropriate size for an NFT. Image size for NFT right there, and as you can see, it is 160 or 32 by 32 pixel. So we can go do that, and we can go comma and 32 times 32 pixels, just like that, so that the MidJourney will create it that way. And after that, you're gonna provide some other details on, maybe you want to be more specific, like the background, you want it to be yellow, and then in a yellow background, or some other stuff, just like that. So if you want to be more knowledgeable in creating prompts, then you could check out my other videos, because I have created other videos that is specifically on improving your prompts here in MidJourney. You can go and watch that first. So here, let's say this is our prompt right here, but in your case you should be more specific, but this is just for a tutorial, so I won't go that far. So I'll just go enter, but as you can see, I don't have a subscription just yet, so I cannot do it. But in your case, you will need a subscription. Just like I said earlier, I have shown you earlier the subscription page. You need to subscribe in one of those. But that is basically it in how you make a image here for your NFT art, or you could use a reference image if you want. So let's get a reference image from Google right here, NFT art example, just like that. And we could just use some of this. Let's say this one is an NFT, so here maybe this one is better because this one is square, and we want to save that right there. It's a WebP file, so we cannot do that. We can only work with PNG and JPEG. Let's say this one, maybe this one is a square, or maybe not, or doesn't matter if it's not a square, as long as you have the image. You will be indicating the size anyway, so you don't have to worry. It's a JPEG, so we can use this. And after that, we're gonna go and open the folder, and now we're gonna go into Discord, and we're gonna upload this right there, so that we can use this as our reference image in creating our prompt. So what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna go imagine right there again, /imagine, and prompt, enter, so we can enter the prompt. And from here, we want to drag this image here into our prompt, just like that. And as you can see, it is now here. And what you want to do from here is when it hits space, and then you want to say or type the prompt that you used again here in your previous one. So let's say, let's do it again, a monkey wearing a basketball jersey in a yellow background, and the size 32 times 32 pixels, just like that. And what it's gonna do is that it's gonna create this a monkey wearing a basketball jersey in a yellow background. That is the same right here. It's gonna use the same art because this is your reference image, so it's gonna take something from here and do it in a way that it would describe what you have prompted right here. So that is basically how you can create a reference image here in MidJourney. So that is a very useful one. So if you have an idea NFT, you can just go and get a reference image just like that, and you wanna upload this right here, and all you have to do is just simply state your edit. So because of course you want to edit it to make it different so that it would be yours, it would be unique. So that's all you have to do. It's very easy. If you have MidJourney bot by your side in creating NFT arts, you just need to subscribe right here, purchase one of the subscription plans right here in MidJourney as I have shown you before. And that's basically it for this video. That is how you create NFT arts using MidJourney.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.